In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on TCL Smart TV, okay? So let's get started. Now first you'll have to check your TCL TV type, okay? So we have Android TV right here, as you can see. Now here it has a Google Play Store, so Stremio perfectly works, okay? For TCL Google TV, when we talk about this type of TV, we're talking about the latest versions, for example from 2022 onwards, and on those TVs Stremio works perfectly fine. Then lastly we have the TCL Roku TV, and unfortunately Stremio does not work here. You must cast or use a streaming stick, which will go deeper into later in the video, yeah? For now we're going to be looking at the Android TV and the Google TV, okay? So obviously method 1 is to install from Google Play Store, okay? So press home on your TV, go to apps, open Google Play Store, search Stremio, install, open and login, yeah? However, if Stremio doesn't appear in Play Store, you have to use the second method, which I'm just going to talk about. Second method is about installing Stremio APK, yeah? So first of all, you'll have to download this particular app, which is called Downloader, okay? So you'll have to download that from the Google Play Store. Then step 2, we'll have to allow unknown sources. Now this is something that you have to go on your TV settings first of all, then go to apps, then go to special app access, then install unknown apps, and then enable it for Downloader, yeah? Then what you have to do is you'll have to open Downloader, the app, and this is how it should look like. Now in this box right here, you'll have to post this URL, which says stremio.com/downloads. So just go ahead and paste that here, click on enter, and then select the Android TV version. This is very important, okay? Android TV version. Then just download and install it, okay? Well, that is it for method 2, and there is a method 3, which is via USB. So you download the Stremio APK on your laptop, copy to USB, insert the USB into your TCL TV, and then use the built-in file manager to install Stremio. Now, as far as it is concerned with the Roku TV, what you can do is that since Stremio is not supported, you can still use it by using these two options. Option A is to cast from phone. So open Stremio, tap cast or DLNA, and then you'll have to select your TCL Roku TV, okay? So you're basically casting from your phone to your TCL TV. The option B is to use a device that supports Stremio, for example Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast with Google TV, NVIDIA Shield, Android TV box. Once you connect them, you can then normally install Stremio. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.